Hey guys, happy new year. It's Kent, I'm here. Before we get into this video, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notifications and share it to everyone. We upgraded the living room, sunroom and kitchen in this house. This was the living room, pretty dull, not necessarily interesting to look at. This was the sunroom leading to the backyard. And this was the kitchen.
Guys, so we've concluded some of the major reno. Can you see that arch there? Just did it today.
With this transformation, it was all about creating a much brighter and inviting space. And we did just that.
We got a kitchen, all painted, spotlight on it, but the client is moving in, so it's a little bit congested. Got everything. Mind you guys, this was a square before we turned it into an arch. This is the little sunroom, an open space sunroom, all painted, new flooring.
Thank you guys so much for watching. 2024 was really awesome and we're truly grateful for all the support from everyone who has subscribed, watched our content, patronized us and worked with us. We're grateful to God who has been with us every step of the way. Now let's buckle up for 2025 and do greater things. Don't forget, we do all things home improvement. Happy New Year. See you next time.